Right, so we're at a bit of a standstill in the living room renovation. At the minute, we're just waiting for a few things to come. So I'm going to start moving on to the utility room. If you've watched our channel before, you might know that in here, we built this stud wall along with the toilet, and we're planning to have the washing machine, dryer, and just an area basically to keep all the clothes. So we've had the first fix plumbing done. Originally, that goes up from the bathroom upstairs. What I need to do today is sort the plumbing out for the washing machine and dryer and the incoming feed that will then feed both. To do that, I've bought this washing machine track, and this will be basically plumbed into the original pipe work down there. Yeah, it shouldn't be too difficult to fit. But the only problem I do have is there's a plug socket directly above it there. So what I need to do is shorten this pipe down a bit just so it will miss the plug socket and we'll have enough clearance, because, you know, electric doesn't seem to go too well with water. I mean, this section here just unscrews, and this end just goes over here like that. And then this goes onto there, as far as it will go, screwed on. Just like that. Final section slides into here, that gets fixed there, and then you also get 2 brackets just to secure that to the wall. That should be okay. I booked a few days off this week, and we're going to see how much we can get done within that time. I'm going to focus mainly on the utility room. I want to try and get as much of that done as possible, seeing as the living room is kind of finished other than the skirting board. That is being delivered tomorrow.
Yeah, you're not just starting the...
What I'm going to start with is plasterboard in the ceiling. We've got a big hole from when we fitted the upstairs bathroom shower tray, all the plumbing for that, so yeah. So we've just gone and got the door frame from Wix, and like everything else in this house, we're going to have to modify it to fit this stud work that we've got. I couldn't get the slimmer profile one because the stud work was already built. I'm going to put this in, mark it up, and then cut it down. These gaps here are basically too large, so when I put the plasterboard on here, there'll still be a gap, so then when the architrave goes on, it will just be sticking out too much. So these are about 108. I'm going to go for about 92. I need to finish off some of the stud work just to strengthen it all up, and you can see there above that door frame. And then I'm going to plasterboard the inside and get it all prepped and ready to be plastered. So yeah. What I didn't film is I've fitted this non-return isolation valve. It's like a 2-in-1 for the outside tap here. In winter time we'll want to be able to turn it off to isolate it. So for anyone that doesn't realise what we're doing, it is a really small space, but where I'm standing is going to be the washing machine, and then we're going to stack the tumbler dryer on top of it. So that's going to be here, and then this side we're either thinking of having some like racking on the wall to hang clothes up, or some sort of fold down ironing board. We're not too sure on that yet, but we're going to make most of all the space.